Hey everybody, we are building our haunted house. We are going to do slide number 7, which is our first budget page. Looks like this. So we need to keep track of how much money we've spent. It's way smarter to keep track of it little by little rather than waiting till the end to do it all. So we are just going to take a look at how much money we started with. And then the only money we've actually spent so far is this. We spent money to put like carpet and tile and lava and dirt on our floors. So make sure that you've completed this page. You can go back if you want the video for that. And make sure you take a moment to do this step here, which is where you add up how much you spent for each room so you can see your total. I spent $736. And as a reminder, our budget was $4,000. We started with $4,000. So I'm just going to put that info in, just click and type. We started with $4,000. I spent $726 in total. And now I'm going to actually do the subtraction to figure out how much money I have left. There are a lot of different ways to do subtraction. You can do whatever strategy works for you. And I am going to do this standard algorithm for this one. I line it up on the right, and I'm going to start right from left. First, I need to do 0 minus 6, which I can't do, which means I would normally then come over to this 0 and borrow, but there's nothing to borrow from. So then I would come over to this 0 and borrow, and there's nothing to borrow from there. So now I actually have to come all the way to the 4 and borrow from it. Cross off the 4 and it becomes a 3. And we take the 1 that we took and give it to this 10. So now the 1 above the 7 is a 10. Now that lets us give 1 to the right. So this 0 here needs 1, so we take this 10, turn it into a 9, and give 1. Cross this, turn it into a 9, and give 1 here. And now we can finally subtract. We're going to do 10 minus 6, which is 4. 9 minus 2, which is 7. And 9 minus 7, which is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. That means I am left with $3,274.